Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Where that guy's front dash display screen fuse is located on Ford F-150. We'll demonstrate on 2016 model. You guys have two different fuse boxes. And guys, the main fuse box is on your truck is in the engine bay under the hood. And if you open it, okay, my bad, you're going to see a fuse box that looks like that. You can see you have different fuses, relays that can be really expensive, overpriced, hard to find. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse box that we need for the front dash display screen, guys, also known as infotainment screen, will be on the passenger side, inside your truck, guys, in the footwell, by that kick panel here, guys. If you open that kick panel, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the fuse that we need to check specifically, okay, from the front dash display will be in that left row right here. I'm going to zoom in so you can clearly see that. Now here, guys, you have double fuses that you're luckily enough you don't need to replace those today if you had that problem, because those could be hard to find. But you'll be in that row right here, and next to them you have numbers. The number that we need for that fuse is number 32 right here. So we're talking about a 10 amp fuse right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.